Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft GLFW error 65542 on your Windows PC. The first thing you should do is update your graphics driver. This error often happens when your graphics driver is outdated or damaged. Open your web browser and visit the official driver website for your graphics card. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, go to the NVIDIA driver page. If you use AMD graphics, visit the AMD driver page. If your computer uses Intel graphics, go to the Intel driver page. Download the latest driver that matches your graphics card model. Install it, and then restart your computer. After the restart, launch Minecraft again and check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the OpenGL file required by Minecraft may be missing. Open your browser and search for OpenGL 32 DLL, then download it from a trusted DLL file source. Before downloading, make sure you know whether your Windows installation is 64-bit or 32-bit. After downloading the correct version, extract the zip file and copy the file. Next, open your Java installation folder on your PC and paste the file into that folder. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue to allow the file to be copied. Once the file has been added, close everything and launch Minecraft again. Thanks for watching.